Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channels. Enjoy the recipe. Hi, home cooks. Today we're going to be making a delicious steak sandwich with an amazing mushroom sauce. We're starting with some flank steak. We're just going to salt and pepper both sides. Be pretty aggressive with the salt and pepper because it's the only seasoning for the meat itself. We're going to chop up a shallot. This nice oniony flavor is going to come in handy on our sandwich and be incorporated into our sauce. And we're going to add some garlic to that. Garlic, onion, steak. Starting out, it's a delicious combo. Now we're going to get some cremini mushrooms. We're just going to chop these up kind of roughly. Doesn't matter, they're going in a blender. Just trying to save space. Put those into our little blender cup. We're going to make the base for our sauce here. Our creamy mushroom savory sauce. Some beef stock. Some thyme. We can just kind of throw the sprigs right in. They'll be blended up smooth anyway. Let's get some Dijon mustard in there. That nice tangy mustardness, and the benefit of Dijon is that you also get that kind of white wine flavor as well, without having to crack open a whole bottle of white wine. I'm just mashing this down here with the patented stabbing technique because I was nearing the fill line and I still have more ingredients to put in here. Some sour cream for creaminess and tang. And we're going to blend this all together. Beautiful. This already smells and tastes delicious, but it's just the beginning. I'm going to add a little Worcestershire sauce and some liquid smoke. Just to make it a little bit extra savory and deep. So good. Now let's start our steak. High heat, about 2 minutes per side. This is going to happen very fast. This is such a thin steak, it doesn't need, much. We're already done. Look at all that beautiful brown stuff stuck to the pan. We are not going to waste that. Wrap this up in foil so it'll be ready later. We're just going to take our onions and our garlic and put them into that hot oil. The onions and garlic will help start deglazing our pan. Just stir that around in there, start getting some of the brown bits up. And we'll let those cook for 3 to 5 minutes as they start to soften. Now we'll add about 2 tablespoons of flour, and it will mix with the oil and make kind of a paste called a roux that will serve as the thickener and base for finishing up our sauce. I'm gonna pour in our mixture from the blender. Stir that around. That'll help make sure we get everything off the pan, all the great beefy flavor that was stuck on there. And it'll immediately start getting thicker from the roux, and we'll finish it with some salt and pepper to taste. And you have a delicious steak sandwich sauce ready to go. Get our beautiful hoagie roll. Get our steak. Oh, look at that. Let's utilize those juices. Just pour them right into the sauce, because I'm not giving up an ounce of this flavor. Slice our steak against the grain so it'll be super delicate and fall apart in your mouth. Load up our sandwich. I'm going to put it into a little foil bed because we're going to throw this in the oven to get nice and toasty, and melt some provolone cheese on top. Go over to our saucing station. Sauce her up. Tuck in our cheese. And throw it in the oven for a few minutes. After another grind of fresh cracked pepper. It just goes so well with the cheese. And there we have it, a very simple but beautiful and delicious steak sandwich with a savory, beefy mushroom sauce with white wine, mustard, onion and garlic flavors in there. This is so moist and creamy. Now that is a quality steak sandwich. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.